What's up, guys? So finally back with another update for you. Sorry it took so long, but I wanted to take my time on this one and drive the truck around and figure out how I liked it and give you guys an honest opinion on it. So as some of you know, on Columbus Day I went down to East Coast Gear Supply and got a set of 529s installed on the truck. By far the best mod done today. The truck drives like a whole new beast. Transmission's no longer confused. It shifts exactly where it needs to. The truck is fun to drive now, and I can't believe it took me so long to actually go down and get it done. I should have done this a long time ago and not been lazy about it. So if any of you have 35s and want to figure out how to get the shifting and everything normal again, or even running like it should, since the stock shifting is not the greatest to begin with, definitely look at regearing. I went down there. East Coast Gear Supply was awesome. They did a great job. Service was great. They knocked it out the same day. Well, I went down the night before, but they knocked it out the day on Columbus Day, and I ended up driving back, doing the braking procedures on the way here, and also when I got here I still had more miles to do with braking. And now it's been it's been a few weeks, or probably a month since I was done breaking them in, and I gotta say, by far this is the best thing I've done to the truck. The truck is fun to drive again, and actually more fun to drive. It shifts exactly like it needs to. It doesn't hunt gears. It doesn't do stupid stuff like it used to. And I've even been wheeling with it, and it's done great. And now since I'm running stock tune, especially when I'm out wheeling, I don't have to worry about a jumpy throttle or anything like that. So it's just been an awesome time with this thing. Now to get back to running stock tune. So I will be running a stock tune for a while. On the way here, on the way from East Coast Gear Supply, I was running the OV Tune Performance tune, and just because my laptop decided it didn't want to work while I was down there, and I couldn't switch it to stock while I was down there, so I drove it up here on the Performance tune. And as to be expected, I can't really blame them for this because it was tuned for stock gearing. It's on lower speeds. It was shifting funny and it was confused. So I won't be putting any tunes on the truck till the 529 tune of theirs comes out, unless it's out now. I haven't really looked into it. I've just been enjoying the truck the way it is right now. Once the 529 is available, I'll try that out. If it's not perfect, I'm going to chalk it up as a loss of money, stupid decision on my part, and just keep stock tune on there, just because I love the way it rides right now, drives and everything else, especially when you're off-roading. You don't want a jumpy throttle when you're trying to go over an obstacle or anything like that. And with the stock throttle response, you can feather it through and take things slowly, and it's come in handy. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated once I tune it and how I like the tune. But for right now, it's going to remain stock. So that's pretty much where I'm at now. The truck, like I said, if you have any questions about doing this upgrade, don't, because it's by far the best thing I've done to the truck, and I would definitely recommend it. Around town, it's even it increased my gas mileage. Not that it matters, because if you care about the MPGs, just don't touch the truck. Don't put on 35s. That's for sure. That's the worst thing that can happen to your MPGs. So if you're worried about MPGs, don't mess with that. But you know, it's the main thing is the drivability, and the drivability aspect is awesome. So definitely go for it, and you won't regret it. Now, I do want to give a special thanks to Overland Uncharted. If you haven't checked out his channel, it's one of the better channels out there. I love his channel, his videos. His videography is awesome. I love following his trips. So I'll put a link down below. Definitely check him out. But I want to give him a special thanks because he answered a lot of my questions. You know, I shot him some questions over Instagram, and he's always been very helpful, giving me an honest opinion, and you know, it made me more comfortable about taking the time and spending the money on this mod. And he was absolutely right. He told me I would love this mod, and I don't think I expected to love it as much as I do. The amount of difference it made is it's just made me love this truck even more. So definitely a special thanks to him, and thank you very much for you know, helping me out and taking the time to answer my questions. I really appreciate it. So you know, I just wanted to make sure, you know, I really appreciate that. But that's it for today, man. For today's update. Like I said, truck's awesome. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on the next episode.